In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to separate vocals in BandLab. We'll go from signing in to opening your project, to using BandLab's splitter to isolate vocals, and finally removing the vocal layer for a clean instrumental. Open bandlab.com in your browser. If you're not signed in yet, click Login. Choose the option to continue with Google, select your Google account, and confirm to proceed. After you land on your home screen, go to your library to see your projects, then open the project that contains the track you want to process. Quick tip, if this is an important session, consider duplicating the project first so you always have a clean backup to return to. From the project page, launch Studio to open the multi-track workspace. Find the track that holds the full mix or song you want to separate. This is usually a stereo audio file. Click it to select and play a second to confirm you're on the right one by ear. If the waveform looks like a full song, you've likely got the correct track. Right-click directly on that audio region to open the context menu, then choose Splitter. On a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same. If you prefer menus, the option also appears in the clip's More Options menu. Note that Splitter is a premium feature, so you'll need an active subscription to use it. When Splitter opens, choose how many stems you want. Pick an option that separates vocals. 4 stems typically give you vocals, drums, bass, and other instruments as individual layers, while 2 stems produce vocals and instrumental. 4 stems offer more control for fine-tuning later, but 2 stems are quick if you only need a backing track. Confirm your choice and let BandLab process the audio. This happens in the cloud and can take a moment for longer files. Feel free to let it run. Once separation completes, new tracks appear aligned with your original clip. Press play to review the results. If your goal is to remove vocals, select the vocal layer and delete it. For a non-destructive approach, mute it instead so you can unmute later if needed. Small artifacts are normal with any separation tool. A little EQ, gating, or noise reduction afterward can help clean up edges in the instrumental. And that's the process. You've successfully used BandLab's splitter to isolate vocals and remove them from your mix. From here, continue arranging and mixing the remaining stems just like any other session, and you're ready to move forward with your